In the news tonight, an Agusan del Sur judge is among individuals in the third narco list now in the hands of President Rodrigo Duterte. The president himself bears the name of the judge who was hurt in a recent ambush in Butuan City. The president said the list also includes policemen, barangay captains, mayors, congressmen, and judges. Jervis Manahan reports from Davao City.
President Rodrigo Duterte already has his updated list of narco politicians. He showed the piece of paper during a speech in Davao City, but did not disclose the entire list to the media. In a brief ambush interview, he said that the list will have to go one more round of revalidation by DILG before being totally publicized. The president hinted that most of those in the list are cops and barangay captains, but there are also mayors, congressmen, and judges. He singled out Judge Hector Salice as being part of the list. He said Salice is a judge in Agusan del Sur and is allegedly involved in fixing and smuggling. Duterte also hinted that there are also cops from Pangasinan, ARMM, QCPD, Leyte, and Samar on the list. The president is obviously more careful now in publicizing names, as the previous version of the list erroneously tagged Pangasinan Congressman Amado Espino in the drug matrix. Duterte has apologized for this error. Meanwhile, Duterte has blamed previous administration for the magnified problem on drugs. Compared to Indonesia, the Philippines has now a higher incidence of drug addiction in our population. Because of this, the president has reaffirmed his support for the policemen. President Duterte is the keynote speaker in the closing ceremonies of the 9th Biennial Summit on Women in Community Policing, attended by hundreds of women police all throughout the country. For the PTV News, Jervis Manahan, Davao City.